shoulder rolls. We're just gonna be lifting our shoulders, pulling them backwards, and then pulling them down. Up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. When we're doing this, we wanna have our tongue to the roof of our mouth and our lips closed, breathing through our nose. Teeth slightly parted, no clenching. We always want to remember or pretend there's a string coming from the top of our head, okay, like we're a little puppet or marionette. String from our head, pulling us so that our ears are over our shoulders, over our hips, over our feet.